If you want to add someone on Telegram, then let us see 3 ways by which we can do it. Now the first one is open Telegram. Tap on this new message icon here. Tap on this contact icon here. And you have to add the phone number of the contact to whom you want to add in Telegram. Then enter the phone number and then create contact. Now if the other person has Telegram installed in his phone, then you will be able to send a message to the contact. Now the next method is, even if you don't know the phone number, you can use the username of the contact. So what you do, tap on this search icon here, and then you have to enter the username which begins with @ and enter the username. After that, tap on the contact and then you can send a message. If you want, you can tap on the contact name and select this option, add to contacts, and then you can give a name to the contact and then done. And the last option is you can also use a QR code in order to add the contact. So if another user sends their Telegram user QR code, then you can scan it. For example, once you have opened the Telegram app, what you do is tap on this camera icon here and then you have to scan the QR code. So if this is the QR code, what I will do is I will scan it with my camera and then tap on the username that appears. After that, select this option, add to contacts, and then you can give a name for the contact and then done. So in this way you can add someone on Telegram.